Hi everyone, Andrew here with American Beauty Star. Our focus for today's tutorial is a red carpet sleek hairdo. This is a great hairstyle to wear for not only a red carpet event, but for a premiere. You can wear this at a wedding. This is also great for just even an editorial shoot. So I'm really excited to show you guys how to do this hair. So for this hairstyle, it's essential to have a great hairspray, a crimping iron, and a teasing comb. The back of her head is already crimped and teased, so I left the front so I can show you and demonstrate the steps. So let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is separate the sections. After you establish that first section, you want to divide that into 2 more sections. Take your rat tail comb and just smooth out all that hair. Then you're going to take your fancy crimping iron, and what this does, it creates this really cool texture, and it's going to give me the volume that I am seeking to have directly on the crown of her head. Once you finish the crimping iron, you're going to take your rat teasing comb and just push down to achieve some volume right at the roots. Add some hairspray to lock it in. Take our rat teasing comb and utilize the points of it to separate the hair and just kind of disperse it throughout the crown area. I like to use a mirror so I can ensure that there's symmetry and make any adjustments. And the final step is to take your hairspray and blow dryer and lock it in. So there you have it. Don't forget to watch American Beauty Star on Lifetime.